Hey, Tom here from the Saab Heritage Car Museum USA. Gonna look at a 9.5, the new generation, so 2010 and 11, with a 6-speed manual transmission. Some of these have trouble when you would shift from first or second into third going down the road. It would grind going in. This car actually, it was doing it from brand new. I talked to bought it from the original owner. Anyway, it's just been a problem ongoing where you got to hit the shift pattern just perfect or you get a little bit of a grind. And GM did have an upgraded shifter assembly. This is the old one we took out. The new one is not cast aluminum, it's steel, and you actually have to bend the arm up just a little bit to clear the case, and that'll be in another video. But they're pretty easy to put in. Here's the part number. 55, 58, 23, 12. And they're not too expensive. They're, I don't know, 125 bucks, something like that. And you can get them from esaabparts.com. But it took care of the problem 100%. So this one, when you actually do an alignment test on it, it is off slightly, and there is a way you can go in and rebuild that. But for $100, I wasn't going to screw with it. So we put one in, and I know there's a site online, maybe in Sweden, where a guy is fixing the shifters for the, because this is a 9.3 problem also. So anything with the 6-speed tranny could potentially have this. We just happen to notice on this new Gen 9. So what the new arm does is it hits on the side of the case. So go ahead and put it in first gear. It's in neutral right now. Before it would hit, put it back in neutral. So it would hit on the side of the case. I just bent the arm up a little bit, and that took care of the problem. And then that new one would work on the new Gen 9.5. My guess is it maybe a little different case design on the 9.3 6-speed.